What if I told you that right now, in November 2025, with Bitcoin smashing through $100,000 and the crypto market exploding to over $3.6 trillion, choosing the wrong trading platform could cost you thousands in fees, hacks, or missed opportunities. But the right one could skyrocket your portfolio overnight. Welcome to the Strategic Ledger. Today, we're uncovering the absolute best cryptocurrency trading platforms in the US, backed by the freshest data to help you trade smarter and safer.
What is crypto exchange? It's basically a digital marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those altcoins. In the US, these platforms play a huge role because the market's booming. Trading volumes are in the billions daily, and with regulations tightening, you want ones that are compliant to avoid any headaches. But not all exchanges are created equal, especially for US users, where things like state availability and KYC matter.
Essential platform selection criteria include security is king. Look for platforms with cold storage for most assets, two-factor authentication, and things like whitelisting for withdrawals to prevent hacks. Regulation is big too. US-based or licensed ones, like those with FinCEN registration, give you peace of mind. Fees, they can eat into your profits. Watch for maker-taker models. Makers add liquidity and pay less. Takers remove it and pay more. Expect 0% to 0.4% on trades, plus deposit or withdrawal fees for fiat like USD. User experience matters. Beginners want simple apps, pros need advanced charts and order types. Liquidity ensures quick trades without slippage. Higher volume platforms like those with billions in daily trades are better. And don't forget supported coins. Top ones offer 200 plus cryptos. Finally, customer support. 24/7 chat or phone is ideal because crypto never sleeps.
Top centralized exchanges. In-depth reviews of the top centralized exchanges, or SEXs, for US users. These are the big players, where you deposit funds and trade through their system. Based on recent rankings, Kraken tops the list for many. It's US headquartered in Wyoming, available in most states, and supports over 450 coins with 800 plus pairs. Key features: intuitive app for newbies, Kraken Pro for advanced trading with margin and futures. Fees are low, maker from 0% to 0.25%, taker starts at 0.8% to 0.4%, and free ACH deposits. Security's top-notch, no major hacks with fund losses since 2011, plus proof of reserves audits. Pros, great for low fees and security. Cons, not in every state like New York or Washington. Next up, Gemini, perfect for beginners. It's available nationwide, publicly traded, and super user-friendly with over 300 coins. Features include advanced charting, staking, and a wallet. Fees, maker 0% to 0.40%, taker 0.05% to 0.60%, no minimum deposit. Security's solid, though they had a data breach earlier this year, no funds lost. Pros, tons of educational resources. Cons, higher fees than some, and support can be slow. Gemini is a security beast founded by the Winklevoss twins. Available in all 50 states, it supports 70 plus coins with fast execution. Active Trader platform has pro tools like futures. Fees, maker 0% to 0.20%, taker 0.03% to 0.40%. Security includes cold storage, third-party audits, and FDIC insurance on cash balances. Pros, ultra secure and compliant. Cons, fewer coins than competitors. Crypto.com is mobile first and great for on-the-go trading. Serves 49 US states, over 400 coins with a Visa debit card for spending crypto. Features, staking, futures, and low fees if you hold their CRO token. Maker 0.08% to 0.25%, taker 0.18% to 0.50%. Security strong with cold storage. Pros, rewards programs. Cons, high withdrawal minimums sometimes. Binance US is the US version of the global giant with high liquidity, top in volume overall, though the US arm is smaller. Supports about 150 coins, Advanced tools, fees, low, starting at 0.10%. Security, proof of reserves. Pros, massive volume. Cons, limited compared to Binance Global due to regs.
Other types of trading platforms. Now let's shift to decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. These let you trade directly from your wallet. No middleman, higher privacy, no KYC usually. How they work? Connect your wallet like MetaMask. Swap tokens peer-to-peer. Pros? Self-custody means you control your keys, better security against hacks. Cons? Gas fees on networks like Ethereum can be pricey, and it's more complex for newbies. Top DEX for US users? Uniswap on Ethereum. It's the leader with billions in volume. Key advantage? Huge liquidity for thousands of tokens. Disadvantage? High gas fees during peaks. PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain is another fave. Lower fees, supports staking. Advantage? Fast and cheap. Disadvantage? Tied to Binance Smart Chain, so less diverse than Uniswap. Crypto brokers, apps. Other types of platforms? Crypto brokers or apps like Robinhood or Fidelity. These are more like stock apps that let you buy crypto but often don't give you private keys. You don't truly own it. Robinhood's great for zero-fee trades on select coins integrated with stocks. Pros, easy for beginners. Cons, limited to a few cryptos, no withdrawals sometimes. For advanced traders, look for margin and futures. Kraken and Gemini offer leverage up to 5x on select pairs. Staking for passive income? Uphold or Coinbase let you earn yields on holdings like 5 to 10% APY on some coins. API trading for bots is available on most, like Coinbase Advanced.
Final advice and risk. A quick word on risks. Crypto's volatile. The market dropped 20% from its $4.4 trillion peak last month. Never leave all your funds on an exchange. Use hardware wallets. KYC is crucial on regulated platforms to comply with US laws and avoid freezes. And remember, you could lose money. Trade responsibly. In conclusion, the best platform depends on you. For security and pros, go Kraken. Beginners, Coinbase. Mobile and rewards, Crypto.com. If DEX is your vibe, start with Uniswap. Always check the latest regs in your state. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your fave platform in the comments. See you next time.